How to fix mobile data is not working in Huawei Nova 13. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. Now swipe down to your control center and here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, check your network connection will be worked properly or not. After checking the internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates. And then click on reset. In second, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.